Hey everyone, it's Anna from For Real YouTube channel. Ever wondered how to fix a blacklisted IMEI on your phone? Well, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through multiple methods that actually work for both iPhones and Androids like Samsung. But hold up, I'll also tell you about a way better, safer, and free alternative that's quicker and guaranteed to work. Let's dive in. Remember, this information is for those who own their device and have forgotten their access information. We do not support illegal activities like bypassing security on stolen devices. It's important to respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. Now, let's keep going. Today, let's explore some options to help with IMEI blacklist issues. If you're facing problems with your device's IMEI being blacklisted, there are services like Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app, Safe Unlocks, and ESndoctor that specialize in resolving these issues. These services offer different approaches. One is known for its AI-powered unlocking tool, another for its long-standing reliability at a minimal cost, and the third for its expertise in handling IMEI blacklist situations. Each service has its strengths, but remember, it's important to weigh your options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Let's dive into how you can navigate through these solutions effectively. To begin removing the blacklist from your device's IMEI, open your web browser on either your phone or computer and navigate to unlockhere.com. This site hosts an effective tool called Nifty, developed by the Unlock Here team specifically for resolving IMEI blacklist issues. Once on the site, scroll down and select the Fix IMEI Blacklist option. Next, follow the straightforward steps provided by the Nifty tool. Start by choosing your device's brand from the available options. The tool supports a wide range of major and medium-sized brands, ensuring compatibility with most devices. After selecting your brand, click the Next button to proceed. You'll then need to enter your device's IMEI or serial number. If you're unsure where to find this information, simply dial *#06# on your phone's keypad, and a pop-up will display with your device's details, including the IMEI number. To complete your request, provide your contact details, including your name and email address. Make sure to read and agree to the app's terms and conditions before proceeding. If you have any questions or need further assistance, the app provides resources to help clarify any concerns. Once you've submitted your information, wait for an email confirmation from Unlock Here. This email usually arrives within 5-15 minutes, so keep an eye on your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Upon receiving the confirmation email, copy the verification code provided. Return to the Unlock Here website and click on Confirm IMEI Unlock. Paste the verification code, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Validate Info and Start Unlock to initiate the process. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. If you encounter any issues or have questions during this process, you can reach out to their live support for immediate assistance. Please note, the unlocking services mentioned in this video are available only in first world countries. If you're unable to access these services or choose not to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your device model, IMEI, and your country. Once you've completed these steps, you'll automatically be entered into the weekly draw. Alright guys, here are some more alternative ways to remove an IMEI blacklist from your device. One option is to contact your carrier directly. They can provide specific instructions or requirements to remove the blacklist. Another method is to provide proof of ownership to the carrier or authority that blacklisted the IMEI. This could include showing receipts or any document confirming you as the legitimate owner of the device. If your device was reported lost or stolen, but you've since recovered it, informing the carrier can sometimes lead to removal from the blacklist. It's also a good idea to regularly check the status of your IMEI. Sometimes devices are removed from blacklists due to updates or corrections. You can use online IMEI status checkers for this purpose. Lastly, if you believe your device was wrongly blacklisted and the carrier isn't cooperating, seeking legal advice could be an option. However, keep in mind that legal action should be considered as a last resort due to potential costs and time involved. Remember, the unlocking services mentioned in this video are only available in first world countries. If you're unable to access these services or choose not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for viewers who watch our videos. Simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your device model, IMEI, and your country to enter. Thank you for watching. If these methods worked for you or if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tutorials.